Vô phòng nào lại vô nó đem tên nhưng mà nó cũng phòng bỏ bên cô mà nó cũng phòng kệ.
So sorry, teacher. I'm like, and now from here.
Hi. Okay, wait a minute.
The voice.
Hi.
I forget the time for him to learn. So,
It's okay, mother. Hi, sweetie. Good evening. Hi. Hello. Okay, how are you tonight?
I'm good.
Okay, that's good. Did you eat your dinner already?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, so what did you do tonight? Mhm. Did you go to school?
Yeah, that's so.
All right. Okay. So, are you ready to study now?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's great. Okay, let me share my screen first. All right, sweetie, can you see the screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good. Okay, you have there. Okay, now we will have story and listening. Okay, so okay, let's have activity one. Listen and repeat. Okay, can you read this one, sweetie, please? Mm-hmm. Can you read the story? Uh-huh.
No, I don't.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Do you want teacher to read this one or you will read this one?
Me.
Okay, come on. Okay, please read.
Good. Good.
Here's Lucy. Uh-huh. Okay. Look, here's Lucy. Okay, sweetie. Sweetie, can you hear teacher?
He has here using.
Okay, where?
Where?
Over there.
Over there.
How about this one? What?
What?
What's
They
he wearing?
wearing.
Okay, how about this one? She's
She
wearing
wearing.
her
Her new t-shirt. Her new t-shirt and
her
her fire.
jeans.
I don't know.
her
Jean.
her favorite jeans. Favorite
Her fire tea.
jeans. Okay.
Tea.
Yes.
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, yes, and she's holding a bag.
She's holding a bag.
Okay, very good. Now I
Now I see her. Yes,
yes,
I. Yes,
like like
her
her
bag.
and
Bag. And he t-shirt and He
Her.
ate. Oh no.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's take a look. Okay, let's have this one. What is Sam wearing? Hmm. Let's take a look at the
I'm wearing
picture.
a wool.
Okay, he's wearing a watch. Another one.
What?
What is he wearing? Mhm.
They are wearing a bag.
Okay, he's wearing a bag, and also he is wearing a
Uh, shirt.
okay, very good. Okay, Sam is wearing watch, bag, and sock.
Shirt.
Okay, how about you, sweetie? What are you wearing?
I'm
Mhm.
wearing a
Mhm.
t-shirt.
T-shirt. What else?
And I'm wearing a sock.
Oh, sock. Okay, now teacher's turn. Teacher is wearing a headset. Look, I have a headset. And also, teacher is wearing a t-shirt. Okay, now let's have another one. Okay, so now, okay, now let's have what is the color of Sam's shirt?
Shirt is green.
Green. Very good. How about the watch?
The one is red.
Red. Okay. How about the bag?
The bag is orange.
Very good. It's orange. And now, how about the socks?
The shirt is yellow.
Yellow. Okay. And the last one we have, how about the grapes?
The one is purple.
Okay, purple. Now, sweetie, can you color the things that Sam is wearing? For example, the shirt. Can you color the shirt?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, go on. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, you colored the shirt, Sam's shirt. Okay, it's colored green. Okay. Now let me help you color Sam's shirt. Okay. Okay, a minute. Okay, it's okay, very good. It's color green. Now, how about the watch? Can you color the watch, sweetie?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay. Wow, that's so cute. Okay, how about this one? This one, the big one. This. Can you color this one? Okay, very good. How about the bag? Can you color the bag?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay. Okay, orange. Very good. How about the socks? Can you color the sock? Okay, let's have the shoes. Okay, sweetie, can you color the shoes? Mm-hmm. How about the shoes? Mhm. Okay, the shoes. What is the color of the shoes? We
I don't
have,
know.
oh, it's brown. Can you color the shoes brown?
What is that?
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, how about the other shoes? Okay, nice one. Now let's have the grapes. Okay, the color of the grapes is purple. Okay, can you color the grapes? Wow, good job. Okay, now this time, sweetie, as we can see, so Sam has green shirt, okay, red watch, orange bag, yellow socks, and brown shoes. And also, he is holding a purple grapes.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, so let me erase this first. Okay, so now let's have this one. Okay, teacher already asked you about this one. What are you wearing? Okay, let's continue. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let's take a look at the video. Okay, can you hear? Can you hear it, Sweetie?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay.
Are you wearing?
I'm wearing a black.
Looks nice.
Okay. All right. So now in the video, okay, what is the witch wearing?
No, wearing a hat.
Okay, what's the color of the hat?
Hat.
Okay, it's a black
Hat.
hat.
Black hat.
Okay, very good. Now let's continue. Okay, write and draw about what you are wearing. Okay, now let's have this one, sweetie. Okay, what are you wearing today? For example, teacher is, okay, I'm wearing a headset. Okay, a black headset. For this one is just an example, okay? I'm wearing a black headset. Okay. How about you, sweetie? What are you wearing? Mhm.
T-shirt yellow.
One more time. What are you wearing? I'm
Orange. I wear yellow T-shirt.
okay. I'm wearing a yellow, okay, a yellow t-shirt.
T-shirt.
Okay, very good. Now let's continue. Okay, now describe and guess. Let's take a look at the picture. Okay, sweetie, let's take a look at this boy. Okay, what is the boy wearing?
The boy wearing a shirt.
Okay, a shirt. Okay, what's the color of the shirt?
The shirt is
It's
white.
white. How about the necktie? What are the colors of the necktie?
But you white red.
Okay, it's blue, white, and red. Okay, how about the pants? What is the color of the boy's pants? Mm-hmm. Its color.
But you white red.
How about the pants or the trouser?
The tire is black.
Okay, it's black. Okay, now let's take a look at the mother. Okay,
The mud.
okay,
The
what?
mud
Mm-hmm.
is this a green T-shirt.
Okay, it's a green shirt. How about the skirt? What what is the color of the skirt?
The tire is a shirt is white.
Okay, the skirt is white. Now, sweetie, can you describe this boy?
The boy is a red T-shirt.
Okay, the boy is wearing red t-shirt and what else?
The shirt green.
Okay,
The green shirt.
green
Green.
shirt. Green shirt. Okay, how about this girl right here? What is she wearing? Mhm. The girl is wearing.
He wearing uh
Mhm.
a pen book, a purple pen.
One more time.
He wearing a T-shirt.
Pink t-shirt
Pink
and
shirt and ben uh and
uh-huh,
purple towel.
purple purple pants.
Towel.
Trouser, very good. The purple trouser. Okay, now let's take a look at the boy right here. What
The
is
boy
the
is
boy wearing?
the boy in a blue t-shirt and
Uh,
uh the right right
mhm. How about the trouser?
towel.
The trouser. What's the color of the trouser?
White.
Okay. All right. Now, sweetie, let's take a look at this girl right here. What is the girl wearing?
The way the girl is wearing a a
Mm.
a green t-shirt.
Green shirt. And what's the color of the trouser?
Uh, I don't know.
I think it's something yellow, right? Okay, it's a yellow. How about the shoes? What is the color of the girl's shoes?
The
Okay, the girl
see
is wearing
the girl is wearing a pink shoe.
okay, pink shoes. Okay, very good. How about the man right here?
The
What is
man is
wearing?
wearing a white shirt.
White shirt and
The blue pants.
okay, blue pants. Okay, let's take a look at the lady right here. What is she wearing?
She wearing a yes. She
Hmm.
she wearing a pink jacket.
Okay, she is wearing a white shirt and pink skirt, right? Okay, now last but not the least, we have this one, the boy. Let's take a look at the boy, sweetie. Now, what is the boy wearing?
The boy is wearing
Blue
a shirt.
and how about the trouser? Brown trouser.
Is
It's a brown
a
trouser.
yellow towel.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, dressing up. Okay, now let's take a look at this one. Okay, wait a minute. Now click on the correct items to dress up the characters. Remember to consider the weather, time of the day, and the place where they are. So give it a try. Okay, we have this one. Okay, let's have. Okay, let's take a look at this two people. We have here the boy and the girl. Okay, look at the weather. What weather is this one? Mhm. It's a rainy. Is it rainy or
A
sunny?
rainy.
Rainy. Okay,
A rain.
rainy weather. Okay, what do you usually wear on rainy days? Okay, let's take a look at the boy. What should we wear or what should we dress up for the boy? Okay. Can you circle, sweetie? Can you circle
Yeah.
the words that we should wear during the rainy season? Uh-huh. Okay. Should we wear swimwear, long sleeve or t-shirt, trousers or jeans, school uniform, socks or sandals for the boys? Okay. We should wear raincoat. Another one. Raincoat. How about umbrella? Umbrella. Sunglasses. Another one.
Yeah.
How about on this side? This side right here. What should we dress up for the boy and the girl? Hmm? Okay, umbrella. What else? Mm-hmm. How about this side? Should we wear long sleeve or school uniform? Okay. How about the socks? Should we wear socks or sandals?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. So we should wear them. What is this one? It's okay. This one is long sleeve or t-shirt. Or it could be if they're going to school, they can wear also school uniform. Okay. And they wear raincoats. Very good. This one is correct. Raincoat. And they also have umbrella. Wow, these are her umbrella. Another one. They wear socks and boots. Winter. Okay. All right. How about this one, sweetie? What weather is this? Is it sunny, rainy? What do you think? It's what should we wear on sunny day? Okay, sun hat. Okay. Sunglasses. What else? Mm-hmm. What else? How about this side, right? Shorts. Okay. Okay, another one. Uh-huh. Pair of tights. Okay, now let's see. Okay, shorts, very good. This one is correct. Okay. And okay, we have here summer dress as well. And what else? Okay, t-shirt. Of course, t-shirt. You have there, t-shirt. And a hat. Sun hat. Very good. This one is correct. What else? Slippers, pair of ties, or sandals. Okay, very good. Okay, another one. Okay, sunglasses. This one is correct as well. Sun. Okay, now let's have this one, the winter season. Ooh, there's snow. Okay, what should we wear? On cold weather or winter season. What should we wear, sweetie? It okay, socks. Very good. What else? Trousers, of course. Very good. Another one. Winter jacket. Okay. And what else? Winter hat. Uh-huh. And what else? How about the scarf? Should we wear scarf during cold weather? Winter gloves. Very good. Winter gloves. What else? Mm-hmm. Winter gloves, winter jacket, winter hat, socks, trousers. What else? Uh-huh. Oh, is that it? Okay, let's see. Ooh, jackets, winter jackets. Very good. Winter jackets. This one is correct. Okay. And also scarf. You can wear scarf during winter. And winter gloves. Very good. This one is correct as well. And socks. Wow, socks. Okay, next one. Oh, we have boots as well. And what? Winter hat. Okay, very good. Winter hat. Okay, another one. Okay, very good. This one is okay. Trousers, long sleeves, and more jackets. Okay, how about this one, sweetie? On spring, what should we wear during spring? Okay, spring also has warm and cold weather. What do you think? Uh-huh, very good. What else? Mhm. What else should we wear? Summer dress and trainers, sandals. What else? Mm-hmm. What else should we wear? T-shirt and summer hat and okay. Now let's see what should we wear. Okay. Oh, we have jacket. Okay, jacket. And oh, jackets, another jackets. Okay, we have trousers or jeans. Very good. This one is very good. And okay, jeans. And we have sandals. Okay, or trainers. Okay, very good. Trainers. Okay, how about this one? On what is this one? If you go to a park, what do you usually wear? Uh-huh. What do you usually wear, sweetie? If you go to the park. Okay, can you circle? Mm-hmm. Shorts, t-shirt, what else? Shorts, t-shirt, and what else should we wear? Trainers, and also, what else? How about, uh, okay, trousers or jeans or skirt? How about skirt? Okay, so now let's take a look if what should we wear when we go to a park. Okay, now we have shirts. Very good. This one is correct. And t-shirt. Ooh, very good. This one is correct as well. And skirt. Okay, the girl is wearing a skirt. And also socks. You forget the socks. And of course, trainers. Very good. Okay, trainers. Okay, let's have this one. At school, what do you usually wear inside the school? Okay, let's take a look. Okay, can you circle? Okay, backpack. Very good. What else? School shoes. Female school uniform. What else? Uh-huh. Another one. Okay, pair of tights, male school uniform, and how about the socks? You forgot the socks, sweetie. Socks. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's see what should we wear inside the school. Okay, very good. So we have school uniform, female school uniform. Very good. This one is correct. Okay, pair of tights, correct as well. Okay, bags. Okay, backpack. Another one. Oh, we have socks. Okay, now this time. Okay, we have school shoes. Right. Okay, how about in a swimming class? What should we wear when we go to swimming? Uh-huh. What should we wear, sweetie? Can you circle? Okay, swim top. Very good. What else? Swimming costume. Another one. Swim shorts. Very good. And oh, towel. Okay. And also, what else? How about the goggles? Goggles. Do you? Uh-huh. How about the goggles? Or how about the flip-flops? Okay. Flip-flops in the goggles. The goggles. Okay, let's see. All right, let's have this one. Okay, shorts. Okay, it's a swim shorts. Very good. This one. Okay, we have flip-flops as well. Swim shorts, swim top, and what else? Okay, we have towel as well. Okay, towel. Okay, now, how about this one? If we go to camping. Okay, what should we wear if we go to camping or we are having a PE class? What should we wear? Okay, hat. Okay, you have hat, socks, PE shoes. What else? Mhm. We have, okay, what else? Then, okay, skirt and skirt and what else? We have, uh, okay. Now, sweetie, let's take a look. Okay, we have hat. Very good. This one is correct. And then shorts. Okay. Oh, you forgot the PE shirts. And we have socks. Okay, very good. This one is correct. And PE shoes. Okay, PE. And we have the PE bag. PE bag and okay. What else? It's PE shirts and PE t-shirt. You forget the PE t-shirt. Okay, about bedtime. What do we usually wear during bedtime? Uh-huh. Okay, teddy bear. What else? Sandals. Should we wear sandals? Oh, okay, so wait a minute. Okay. Sun hat, trousers or jeans. What else? If we are going to sleep, what should we wear? Mm, uh-huh. What should we wear? Okay, trousers or jeans. You wear trousers or jeans when you sleep. Mm, Sleepers. You wear sleepers. Teddy bear. What else? Uh-huh. You have scarf. Okay, scarf and else? Okay, pajama shorts, sleepers, teddy bear. What else? Pajama top. Okay, is that it? Okay, let's continue. All right. Well, very good. We have pajama top. Very good. So now next one we have pajama shorts. Okay. This one is correct as well. And also sleepers. Very good. Sleepers and okay, we have socks. All right. Another one. Oh, teddy bear. Okay, teddy bear. Okay. Now, okay, let's take a look at this one. Okay, wait a minute. So, how about you, sweetie? What do you usually wear when you go shopping?
I don't know.
You don't know? When you go outside, what do you wear?
I wear a t-shirt.
Mhm.
Uh,
Okay.
a short
Short and what else?
shoe.
Mhm. And
Shoe.
okay.
A jacket.
Okay. Okay, so what else? All right, so now let's have another one. Okay, what do you usually wear when you play? Uh-huh.
T-shirt. Short.
T-shirt and short. What else? Uh-huh. Okay, and nothing. You don't know. Okay, sweetie, since our time is already up, it's time for us to say goodbye for now and see you next time, okay?
The teacher. Goodbye,
Um,
teacher.
Goodbye. Have a good night. See you next time.
Good night, teacher.
Good night. Bye bye.
Goodbye.